Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites, an active SEX, EO account, your password, and the Google Authenticator app installed on your phone. Open SEX, EO and navigate to security, then two-factor authentication. This is where you enable app-based 2FA. Once you tap to set up the app SEX, EO will show a QR code and a backup key. Scan the QR code with Google Authenticator immediately or copy the backup key into the app. Make sure your phone clock is set to automatic time for accurate codes. Once you scan the QR or paste the backup key into Google Authenticator, the app will generate a 6-digit rotating code every 30 seconds. Enter the current 6-digit code on SEX. EO to verify linking. If the code rejects, wait for the next cycle and try again. After successful verification, SEX, EO will prompt you to download recovery codes or store the backup key. Save that key securely. This is how you regain access if you lose your phone. Also enable App Lock on your phone for extra security. Finish by confirming two-factor authentication is active in your SEX. EO security settings and test it with a log out and log in. Enter the fresh 6-digit code from your app. If codes are failing, first sync your phone's clock to network time and retry. That fixes most issues. If you lost your phone and didn't save the backup key, contact SEX. EO support with ID verification. Expect delays. Keep at least one offline backup of the key so you can recover access without support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.